I am Anne-Marie Creer from Namibia Breweries Limited. I've been working there for almost 3 years now. I am a MES specialist. Namibia Breweries has existed since 1920. It's quite an old company. We've recently celebrated also the 100 years of purity law, the Reinheitsgebot. Our main product is Tafel Lager, which is now started to sell here in South Africa. We make Windhoek Draft, Windhoek Lager, which is also a big one going exported to other countries. What the project is about is integrating our plant control system, which we call BrewMax, to SAP, the ERP system of the business. Our main goal was to improve efficiency within the supply chain. So currently, a lot of Excel sheets exist between systems, like we have our plant control system, which integrates to a lab system. Now, these two aren't really integrated. There's Excel sheets between the two. This is why we want to implement something in between for things to go to the other system and information be sent back without these interference of the Excel sheets. Because the Excel sheets, the information can be corrupt, data integrity is questioned. Not all of the data between the departments are then the same. So people get confused when it's month end and water usage does not match with these guys' water usage and so forth. As they were time consuming and because malt often got delivered on the wrong times or we were stuck with having no stock at all. According to people that has calculated this cost, it would cost the brewery $1 million of making no beer a day if there was no malt. This project basically paid itself off in a day if such a situation would occur. So what we did was we created an interface, a web interface, where he can link a process order to a Zoot number. We looked at quite a lot of different vendors and suppliers solutions. Why we came back to Wonderware in that regard was because we are already using Wonderware products and they are quite a reliable supplier. And they came up with like a brilliant solution and what it can do and what the possibilities are for it in a plant-based environment. To give you a quick view on implementation, we had 3 main processes we wanted to implement. First of all, we will call it the malt intake, the malt outtake and the malt offload processes, as this is the start of making beer. So they are quite tedious and time-consuming processes regarding manual capturing. So our current Wonderware solutions or software that we have on site to manage our plant is we use Wonderware Historian, and that connects to our brewing system. Then we also now recently have the Skelta BPM as well as the Wonderware Enterprise Integrator. We had assistance from Wonderware to train us on BPM workflow. Once we got that down, the planning of the processes inside the workflow, we continued to set up the WEI, Wonderware Enterprise Integrator. So the main benefits for us of Skelta BPM is that it improves efficiency for us regarding our manual processes that are now automated. And because of that, it reduces work times. It is also a great tool to create an interface so that users can go on, or it sends an interface via email, which is a great functionality, to a user where he just verifies it and it uploads back. So that is a great functionality.